This is the incandescent light bulb on my W203 front door, and in this video I'm going to show you how to convert them into LED. If the light's turned on, the trick here is to turn off the cabin light. That turns off the puddle light as well. So let's just go right ahead and take that out. And using this tool, just make sure to pull the wire to give you a bit of slack. Using this tool, push and release. Set that aside, and then attach the new one. So that's what the projection looks like. So it's going to be like that. The Mercedes wording will be closer to the body of the car. So let's go right ahead and insert this puddle light back into the slot. It's refusing to get in. To be honest, I was expecting this job to be a really simple one, but challenge accepted. So just having a closer look here, it looks like this light housing is slightly larger than the slot. I think I should be able to jam it in, but if I do that and I need to remove this light in the future, I might end up damaging it. So I think the right thing to do here is to make that hole slightly larger. Okay, so we're back here again because I want to get this install done. So what I'm doing, or what I've just done, is I've trimmed the fabric all the way, because this fabric sort of wraps around. So I trimmed that fabric all the way to the plastic. Same on this side, just trim it all the way to the plastic. Just make sure you don't accidentally cut the wire when you're doing this, so be careful. So just trim it all the way, that fabric all the way, because what it will do is it'll make this just a slightly wider to fit this in. So I've trimmed that as much as I can. So now I'm going to put this back. This end here goes this way, so just tuck in the wire. See, I'm sure hopefully this works. Still looks wide, but I think I can still. There it is. Excellent. And there you have it, a nice and simple upgrade for your 2005 Mercedes C200. And that's all I have for you in this video. I hope you enjoyed that. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.